Assalamu alaikum, this is me Jamal and welcome back with a new video. Today we are going to talk about the difference between raise and rise. Actually, both of those two verbs refer to something going up, but there are differences at how we use them. Now let's start with the verb raise. Actually, this verb is a transitive verb. Now, what do I mean by transitive verb? By transitive verb, I mean that it needs an object. Okay, so when you raise something, you move it up. Let's see this example. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Raise your hand if you know the answer. The government is planning to raise taxes. The government is planning to raise taxes. Our favorite restaurant has raised prices again. Now, rise, however, is an intransitive verb. Intransitive verb is the verb that doesn't take or doesn't need an object. When something rises, it goes up by itself. Now let's see the verb rise in the following examples. Prices continue to rise. Prices continue to rise. The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east. Rains have risen in my town. Rains have risen in my town. Pay attention, guys, to the verb rise. Rise is an irregular verb. It's rise, rose, risen. Rise, rose, risen. Well guys, that's all for today. See you soon with a new video.